Good morning guys, good morning. Welcome to another video of Shakema at home. And I'm at work guys, I'm at work. It's 4:22 already. I'm here saying it's 3:30 and it's 4:22 and I decided, you know what, let me vlog what my day does be looking like. So today is Saturday, so I'm going to do a vlog today of what my day look like each day or every other day, and I'm going to take you guys along with me. So right now I'm here at work working, so let's go guys, let's see how Shakema at home day does be going. So I just finished sweeping downstairs, so I'm heading upstairs to start upstairs. And this is the spa. Yes, in the morning I just come early in the morning to clean the spa, and this is it. So I'm going upstairs now to clean. Look at this beautiful dress. Yes, they sell dresses also here. Look at that. And now it's Halloween, so you know they have a little bit of Halloween decoration. Look at this beautiful one. Okay, so we're up. So I'm just going to turn on the light. Yeah, and this is one of the room here where I'll be cleaning, and the other one here. Turn on the light, and yep, this is it. And this is the bathroom. So let me turn on the light here too, and yeah, let's get started. So as you can see, I'm just taking out the garbage because you have to check the cupboard for the garbage, and I take them out, I place them there. I go by the other room, I check to see if they have any garbage. I take it out, you know, like so. I place everything there, and then I replace the garbage bins with new bags. And yeah, look at this. I'm at work guys. Okay guys, so I'm back upstairs. I finished downstairs already. So I spray, I'm using the Clorox detergent cleaner, and I spray the face basin. I leave it for like 3 minutes. Meanwhile that's soaking, I go ahead and I spray with Windex the glass to clean the glass. I come back over on this side, I clean, spray that glass also. Then I get paper and I clean it. Okay guys, so you know it's a spa, so they use this thing here, the wax. So you know you have to check the floor properly to see if they have any wax on the floor. So here you can see they have some wax. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this, and I'm just going to tip just a little, like so, like that, on the floor. Then I get a piece of napkin and I just go like this, and look guys, voila, you take it off one time, and you don't have to use a lot, just a little go a long way. You see the wax coming off so good from the floor. See that? And just a little bit on the napkin, that goes a long way. So okay guys, I'm finished upstairs and I'm heading downstairs. You can see floor is still wet, and I'm heading downstairs to close up, to sanitize, because I have to spray everything, spray the the spar, and then I'm going to head over to the other spar. So it's 5:22 now, and I'm just finishing the spar. So I use this spray here, this, and I spray, you know, the entire spar, like room to room. I spray, you know, sanitize, kill germs. Spray. And that's it. Come with me over to the other spar. Look at that, guys. It's still night outside. Still night. Look, I park up right here. Still night. And this is the spar. Yeah. You see that beautiful dress right there? Look it right there. I forgot to show you guys. Yeah, that nice looking beautiful dress right there. And oh, and the Halloween costume. See that? Okay, so let's grab garbage. We're grabbing the garbage and we're heading to the other spar across from here. So it's not far, like 1 minute, 1 second. Yes. Restaurant right there beside it. Right there, so. And the restaurant name is Sweet Coconut. Yep. And here I reach by the other spar. So let me get my key. And we're going to go inside, start the other job. Right, so put some light on. There's the door. You see, we're at the other one. It's a little bit smaller, but it's beautiful. I love this. Every family have a story. Welcome to ours. You sanitize your hands and you add in. And everywhere you go in this spar, the smaller one, you have something to keep you motivated, like work hard, give your best. You can do this. Success is earned. Dream big, never give up, focus, do what you love. You know what you do, stay humble, you know. Yes, so we're going to start the other spar now. Yep. So I enter, and first thing I turn on the light. Let's get started on this section now. And now it's 5:30. 5:30, so yeah. Let's get started doing this cleaning. This is one of the rooms. Look up there, inspiration things. Relax, it's your time. You're beautiful. Yeah. Okay guys, so I'm finished. It's 6:30. Normally I will finish like half an hour ago, but on Saturdays I do more work. So during the weekend I do more time because the kids them don't have to go to school. But whenever time the kids have to go to school, I have to be out there by 6 o'clock, so I come extremely early. My lip dry, I'm hungry. So now I'm heading home to start my day at home. So stay tuned guys. I'm inside the supermarket. I stopped for 5 minutes to get something in here. I need peas. So let me see if I can find the peas. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3.
Okay. And then I put it inside this.
Okay guys, so I'm back at home and I'm making some breakfast this morning for the kids, and baby Felix here helping me to crack the egg. Always want to be in the kitchen.
And that's where you crack the egg and put it back inside.
So I'm just going to get a spoon and I'm going to remove the eye from the egg.
The eye? What called the eye?
The eye of the egg.
Oh, that calls the eye.
Yeah, the white thing inside it. You see?
Yeah.
That little thing right there. That's the eye of the egg. I don't like it in the egg.
I don't like it too.
Mommy don't like it.
I see one. You catched it.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, you was catching it. You got it.
So I'm going to add a little bit of pink salt.
Pink salt.
Yeah. I'm going to mix it. Like so. Come over here. Just adding a little bit of grapeseed oil to the pot.
Oh, you don't let me see. That's not fair.
I'm going to add my eggs. I'm going to add my wrap. Just fold it like so, like that. Lift it back up and place it the other side down, and then we're going to flip it. Okay guys, so I'm just flipping like so, like that. Then I'm going to add some mozzarella cheese.
Mama. Mommy,
Yes.
don't let me see what you're doing with that thing.
You can see. I'm going to add a little bit of romaine lettuce to it. Slices of tomatoes.
Mama.
So now I'm just going to fold it. So like that.
It's that an egg?
So I'm finished guys. So I'm just going to remove it from the pot like so. See my tomato coming out a little bit, but don't mind that. And there you go. Breakfast. Okay guys, so we're making another wrap. The first one was for Kissy, so this one is for me. So in this one I'm going to add some avocados to it. So here is my wrap. Some romaine lettuce like so, some tomatoes, scrambled eggs. Like that. And my avocado on top. And that's it. Simple and nice and healthy breakfast at the same time. Okay guys, so now I'm outside doing the laundry because today is Saturday. So I'm using this Darnie for the freshener. I put some soap powder already inside the machine, and I just add some like so, like that. And because it's uniform, I put it on quick wash and I just turn it on, and that's it.